Buenos dias, good morning. Today is Tuesday, the 18th of August. Today what we want to do is we're going to recite the days of the week in Spanish. This is our second set of vocabulary, and so today's lesson, for the most part, will be focused on that. We'll also have some conversational practice, and I'll explain that in just a second. So looking at our plan, scrolling down to bridge, we have trabajo de timbre, that's our bell work. Remember, we're not turning that in, so you can do that however you'd like. Please just make sure you watch the video that's linked there in order to check your answers at the end. Then we're going to do a little bit of group work, and that way you'll select the discussion board, and what you're going to do is you're going to use this conversation here. So you'll click this link here, and what that will get you is a back and forth. And what you're going to want to do is make a new thread for student one's lines, and then you'll comment on somebody else's for student two. So you'll end up making 4 threads where you're practicing student one's side of the conversation, and you'll comment 4 times for student two's part of the conversation. Okay, so you'll do a little bit of practice with each line and making sure you understand when we respond and what we say there with that conversation. After we do that, we'll introduce our days of the week. So you'll access these slides. You will also want to access the handout. Okay, what you can do is make a copy, or if you'd like to take notes on it, if you make a copy, that way you can write directly on the handout and have that saved. Otherwise, you can just take notes wherever you feel comfortable taking notes. And then at the end, just to make sure we remember, this is a really, really good way to remember through music. Okay, that's a really good way to do it. Last year, I had students in March who would come in singing this song after we learned it in August. So it sticks with you. So you'll listen to this song until 153, because then it switches to months, and we'll worry about that tomorrow.